Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. And cover up. Grade 6 girls, make your line straight. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. All of you right now. Hands cover up. Inside, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now everyone be ready for our national anthem.
Tunga pulka हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौमै फैलिएका मेची महाकाली सयो थुङ्गा फुल्का हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौमै फैलिएका मेची महाकाली प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचला वीरहरूका रगतले स्वतन्त्रता अचला ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहुल जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छन् विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for our school song. hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Now I'd like to call respected speakers to deliver their speech.
Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it is me, Annie Groom, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my memorable day. Before starting my topic, I'd like to thank the organizer who has organized this program to help to increase the confidence level of the student. Without wasting anyone's time, I'd like to start my topic, my memorable day. Everyone has their own kind of memory. Some of them are good, but some of them are bad. I also have one of my own kind of memory. It was on Magh 27, 2079. It was my father's 42nd birthday. My father has always been abroad for a long time. It was the only time we had celebrated his birthday in physical. He had gone. I hadn't seen him in physical for 6 years. After 6 years, he came to Nepal. I woke up early at 6 a.m. with my mother and sisters to go get him at the airport. After taking him from the airport, we went to home and started decorating the house for his to celebrate his birthday. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you, honorable principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Namrata Nepali from grade 6, standing in front of you to share my memorable day. My memorable day was on 4th of March. It was Monday, so we decided to go to Pasupati temple to worship the Pasupati god. It was my first time going to worship the Pasupati gods, so I was really excited. When we got there, When we got there, it was really crowded. There were some people burning dead bodies, and there were many people worshipping the God. When we finished worshipping the God, we returned back to our home, and that was my memorable day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
यस विद्यालयका प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू सहमतिज्यू र दाई दिदी भाइ बहिनीहरूले मेरा कक्षा 8का छात्र आरुषको म कक्षा 8को छात्र आरुषको हार्दिक नमस्कार। म यहाँ आफ्नो अविस्मरणीय दिनको बारे बताउन आएको छु। मेरो अविस्मरणीय दिन करिब 2 वर्ष पहिला थियो। मेरो घरमा ठुलो पूजा राखिएको थियो। म त्यो दिन बिहान सबेरै उठेँ, नास्ता खाएर बस्दा मेरो आफन्तहरू मेरो दाइ दिदी आएको थियो। करिब 10 बजेतिर पूजा सुरु गरियो र 12 बजे सिद्धियो। पूजा सिद्ध्याएर हामी खाजासाजा खाएर म र मेरा दाइ दिदीहरू घुम्न गए। हामी रमाइलो गरेर घर फर्केर त्यसै गरी मेरो अविस्मरणीय दिनको अन्त्य भयो। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar and good morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's Pilunda Manandan, standing in front of you to tell a story about the boy who cried wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who liked to play tricks. One day, while he was watching over the herd, the boy decided to play a trick and cried wolf, wolf. The people who heard rushed over to help him, but they were disappointed when they didn't saw a sheep, and the boy laughed at them. Next day he did it again, and people rushed to his aid, only to be disappointed again. On the third day, the boy saw a wolf devouring one of his sheep and cried for help. But the people who heard him thought this was just another of the boy's pranks, so no one came to help him. That day, the boy lost some of his sheep to wolf. The moral of the story is, if you always lie on other people, there will come time when no one will believe you anymore.
Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now to provide some information, I would like to welcome our
much. Thank you.
Thank you, Krizal. Ayush Karki, why are you turning back? Go at last. If you want to talk, you can turn back and talk with somebody. He stands at the center and disturbs the line. Attention. Cover up. Priyansi and youth. Officer, be active. You are quite passive. You are band students and you go late. Yes, sir, we complain. Hands side. Hands up. Stretch your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. So class 9 children, they are quite passive. Look at these books and copies. You have to manage new. You are not allowed to leave all your books and copies over here. If you live here, then what do you do at home? When you come to school, carry your belongings. While returning back, you take all your belongings. This is excess lazy bones. And what do other students learn from you? To be lazy. And class 4 children, you will get today chocolate. Choco fun is here. Last time our ex-student Avinash Bhandari had managed some choco funds to you all. Your class teacher will give to you. Okay? You were about to get it, but I thought it would make quite mess over there. So I stopped distributing. Today you will get it and be happy. And be focused for your study. Study is very important and follow those 4 areas of learning. At first, listen. Read, write and practice. Then you will be champion. And some of the children, they are having a little bit long hair. And sometimes the person comes without polishing the shoes also. Be up to date. Check your uniform. Check your hygiene. Within this week, we are going to honor the smart students of post 2080. You are under evaluation. Let's see who becomes the new smart students. You have to fulfill all those criteria. Then you will be rewarded. Every month, one student is added in the list of smart students. Attention. Cover up. Lines are not so much straight. Why? Hands side. Hands up. Straight hands. Passive students are. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Now march time.
Play by USB drive.
Everybody be active. Do it together. Last time, boys, what are you doing? What is the lawn? This one here. Well, what am I doing? Go at last. Sound motion practice together. Do your hands forward and backward. Okay, class program. Move forward.